Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create such an announcement bar with auto sliding effect known as Marquee and add it to your Shopify store. As you see, we'll use a gradient effect and a link. So you can click on this text and go to the another page. To create it, we will need to install Fab Infinite Marquee Shopify app, Marquee Builder. You can find it in the Shopify App Store, and I will add the link in the description to such video. After the installation of the app, you will need to go to the bottom of the page and press Add New Marquee button. In my case, I have already created a gradient marquee, so I will press just edit button. You will need to add the name for marquee and add a content. At first you need to upload the icon. In our case we use arrow. You can download it from the popular websites like the Noun Project and other. You can easily find it on the internet. Okay, then we can choose the size of our icon and add the link to the page or where we want to forward our customers. Okay, so in this field we add a link for our icon, and at the bottom we have an input field for the text. I have a try 40-day free trial text and also added a link. So I selected the text and press this button, and here I duplicated the link. So in my case, the icon and the text will be clickable. Okay, then you need to press save. Also, we have a lot of options of customization, like font size, uppercase or normal text, space between content, speed of our animation, direction, left to right or right to left. Also, we can choose the color for background. In our situation, we use gradient. You can find also pre-built colors for gradients on the internet. I will add the link to the description of the video for some popular websites. So you will need to choose a gradient you want to use, choose first color and copy paste the number of color in this field, then select the second color and do the same. Okay, if you want to use just a solid color, you need to switch to this setting. Also, we have the possibility to select border color. We just used solid color, green one. You can see the 1 pixel line above and the bottom of the announcement bar. We can also choose the size. And add effect of pause on mouse over. In this case, when your customers will over the announcement bar, the animation will be stopped. It works good when you need to read the text. Okay, and press save. So in the preview, we can see our announcement bar, and now we need to install it to our theme. Let's go to installation tab, choose our gradient marquee. We can place it wherever we want on the page. For this case, we need to choose custom placement. Also, we can install it above the header and above the header with sticky effect. So when we will scroll the site, our announcement bar will be always visible on the page. We will install it, we will choose custom placement. And when you install it at first time, you need to make sure that widget is activated. So go to activate widget button. Let's wait a second. And make sure that switcher is on and press save. Then go back to the application, copy code of a marquee and go to installation. Now we need to add new section. You can find it here, add section, and then choose custom liquid section. Let's open more sections. Here we can see custom liquid one. We press it, press again to go to the settings of custom liquid and copy paste code. We also need to switch to 0 for paddings because we pressed it up in our application. Okay, and let's press save button. Now we can see a preview of our announcement bar. Let's go back and we can easily move our custom liquid section where we want on the page. Let's move it to the top here and press save. Now we can reload our store and here we have a result with announcement bar. Thanks for watching. Press like for this video and subscribe to our channel for the new tutorials about Shopify. Goodbye.